Are you pressing your garage door remote control but nothing happens? You're not alone. In the Barrack Heights area, many residents face issues with their garage door remotes, whether it's dead batteries, interference, or a need for reprogramming. These small devices are crucial for easy access to your garage, but can be frustrating when they malfunction. Don't let remote control problems keep you outside your own garage. Call us at 0409-774-111 for immediate assistance. Our team of qualified professionals in Barrack Heights is ready to repair or reprogram your garage door remote, ensuring quick and efficient access every time. Get your garage door back to perfect working order with just one call.